Hi, I am Maura McGinnis. I am the Northeast Regional Sales Manager for QTran, located in Milford, Connecticut. QTran is a power supply and LED company, and something we make right here in Connecticut is our encapsulated product, which is our QCAP family of products. Our QCAP can be put together in a sample kit so you can see everything I'm showing here and more, and it's in a case like this with some blue handles. So reach out to your regional to get your own versions of this, as many as you need to get to your specifiers. The QCAP products are encapsulated in polyurethane. We have engineered the LED that is inside the polyurethane to deliver the color temperature that you want. So if you're specifying a 3000 Kelvin, then that's the color that's delivered, not the color that's encapsulated. It's just something to note because it shows that our engineers are working to deliver the best product and encapsulate the best product that we can. So the QCAP family of products are flexible products. This is fully encapsulated in polyurethane. This is our Boxa, which is an up-down bend, direct view, encapsulated in translucent polyurethane. Then we have the Curve, which is a side bend. Now this product has a bit of a parabolic curve built into the housing, and that allows for the lights, which are mounted on the side, to sort of get pushed out in a bit of an asymmetric push. It's not a hugely asymmetric curve, but there is definitely the light coming out has a good push out to it. And again, that's a side bend product. Another up-down product is our Worm. The difference between the Worm and the Boxa is its size and it's how tightly it can be bent. So this has a nice spiral curve. It's a lot less material. So inside you can see the diodes. So these are all available in 1.5 watts a foot, 3 watts a foot, and 5 watts a foot, from 2400 Kelvin up to 4000 Kelvin. So the Worm cannot be fully obscured. So that is encapsulated in translucent, and that's encapsulated in clear. So that's about as bright and clear as this product is ever going to get. And again, that's the Worm. And then finally we have the Zala, which is another side bend. So we had the Curve, which is a great product with a lot of engineering properties. But if you had a project with compound curves and you had up, down in one area and side in the other, you're going to end up with two different fixtures. Not only because these are different color temperatures, but two different housing profiles. So we took our Boxa housing, mounted the fixtures on the side so that you could have a side bend opportunity with the Boxa and the Zala. So again, different color temperatures, but you can have an up-down bend and then a side bend, and so you have a compound curve on the same project without changing your fixture profile. These have seamless ends, so you can see that the end caps, which are also the polyurethane, there's actually end caps there. We don't just end the LEDs in the housing, we have to seal it up, but we sand them down to get that clear end cap, and that clear end cap allows light to travel through even when off. Then, when you're on your project and you're getting them together, we have a couple of PVC profiles that provide a pressure fit for your project that you may mount your fixtures in to allow for the light to travel through. This one's a little tricky because the barrels have a limitation in the sample kits, but if you had wires and you were working together, you'd have a nice clean line of light. And that's our seamless cap application. Thank you so much for specifying QTran and supporting us all these years. We look forward to working with you on your projects. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your regional sales manager or your local rep with any questions.